What's up, everybody? It's Mike, your life fitness coach. I hope you're having an awesome day. I just got finished at the gym, and I just want to throw something out that I hear a lot of confusion about, and that is weight loss versus fat loss, which are really two big different things. And here it goes. If I can explain it as quick as possible, it's like this. So when you want weight loss, you can just go to the gym, do cardio, and lose weight, but you want to say 40% of it's going to be muscle loss. And muscle is responsible for what makes your metabolism go higher or lower, anything like that. So when you lose, let's say 20 pounds, 8 pounds of that could be muscle. So your metabolism got lower. So even though you're jump up and down, woo, all that stuff like that because you lost weight, you lost muscle too. And now the same things you used to do a month or two ago, they make you fatter. So here's a guy or a lady, doesn't matter, that learn about how to properly adjust getting used to losing body fat. What's really matter. So they go into the gym and they start doing resistance training, because if you don't use it, you lose it. So here's what I mean by that. If you start doing resistance training 2 to 3 times a week, now you're giving your body a reason to save the muscle that it has. Therefore, you may lose on the scale less weight, but since body fat and muscle are like oil and water, you'll start to have a transition of body fat going out as lean muscle comes in. Now you're losing body fat and not just worried about the wrong thing, which is losing weight. Your proportions of muscle will be higher, which will effectively long-term, permanently, as long as you keep working out, you're going to lose more fat as you build more lean muscle. Lean muscle usually takes 4 to 6 weeks to put on a pound. So this is consistency. You got to come up with a great plan and stick to it. Or in this case, come to my place, my channel, subscribe or listen to what stuff I'm going to put in videos out to help you be the best version of yourself you've ever been. So let's get it done, people. All right, catch you later. Have an awesome day. See ya.